Did you know that your daily routine could be silently affecting your prostate health? It's true. Many common habits may be unknowingly causing harm. The good news? Small adjustments can significantly improve your quality of life. In this journey, we'll unveil 4 unsuspecting behaviors that might be compromising your prostate health. Discover how adequate hydration, a balanced diet, and efficient stress management can be your secret weapons. Plus, learn about the surprising role masturbation plays in maintaining prostate health. By the end, you'll have actionable tips to enhance your well-being and safeguard your prostate. Don't miss out on this eye-opening exploration. Your health matters. Prostate health is a significant concern for many men, particularly as they age. The prostate, a small gland located below the bladder, plays a crucial role in urinary and reproductive functions. However, it is also prone to issues such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. According to the American Cancer Society, prostate cancer is the second most common type of cancer in men, highlighting the importance of proactive health management. In today's fast-paced world, many men are unaware of the everyday habits that can affect their prostate health. For instance, a diet rich in red meat and processed foods, along with insufficient hydration, can contribute to inflammation and prostate enlargement. Similarly, chronic stress, a common issue in modern life, can also negatively impact prostate health. Additionally, certain activities, including excessive masturbation, can lead to discomfort and other prostate-related issues. Understanding the connection between lifestyle and prostate health is essential. Scientific research has shown that adopting healthy habits can significantly improve prostate health and overall quality of life. For example, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can reduce the risk of prostate issues. Similarly, maintaining adequate hydration and effective stress management techniques can alleviate symptoms and prevent complications. Therefore, it is crucial for men to be informed about these factors and take proactive steps to safeguard their prostate health. By incorporating simple lifestyle changes, men can enhance their well-being and reduce the risk of prostate-related problems. This video aims to provide practical insights and actionable tips to help men make informed choices and improve their quality of life. Did you know that around 50% of men in their 50s have some form of prostate enlargement? Scary, right? But don't worry. There's a lot you can do to keep your prostate in top shape. Find out how hydration, a balanced diet, stress management, and even activities such as masturbation can be important allies in preventing and alleviating prostate problems. Your insights and experiences are invaluable, so please subscribe for more content like this, and let's spark a conversation in the comments below. Your participation is vital in helping others understand and care for their prostate health. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn and grow together. First, let's talk about hydration. Dehydration can lead to urinary issues, which can affect prostate health. Make it a habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Carry a reusable water bottle to work or school to ensure you stay hydrated throughout the day. Next, consider your diet. Foods high in saturated fats and red meats have been linked to prostate inflammation. Instead, opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Incorporate foods like tomatoes, broccoli, and nuts, which contain prostate-friendly nutrients. Stress management is another crucial factor. Chronic stress can lead to a variety of health issues, including prostate problems. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga to manage stress levels effectively. Even a short walk during your lunch break can help reduce stress. Lastly, let's address masturbation. Frequent ejaculation has been linked to a lower risk of prostate cancer. While more research is needed, it's an encouraging finding. Remember, everything in moderation. By adopting these habits, you can significantly improve your prostate health and overall quality of life. Stay hydrated, eat well, manage stress, and maintain a balanced approach to your activities. Did you know that more than half of men over 50 will experience prostate issues, ranging from benign prostatic hyperplasia to prostate cancer? Unfortunately, many men are unaware of the subtle daily habits that can significantly affect their prostate health. A pivotal moment in recognizing this urgency is when a man in his early 40s, seemingly healthy, begins to experience frequent urination, especially at night. This disruption in sleep and daily routine can lead to fatigue, decreased productivity, and even depression. It's a stark reminder that prostate health isn't just about the elderly. It's a lifelong concern. Imagine a man who enjoys a few drinks with friends after work, unaware that excessive alcohol consumption can lead to prostate inflammation. Similarly, a sedentary lifestyle, common in today's work-from-home culture, can increase prostate-specific antigen levels, a marker linked to prostate cancer. These habits, seemingly innocuous, can snowball into serious health issues. A critical turning point for many is when they learn about the positive impact of simple changes. For instance, increasing water intake can dilute the concentration of prostate-irritating substances, while a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables can provide crucial nutrients for prostate health. Stress management techniques, like regular exercise or meditation, can also play a significant role in maintaining a healthy prostate. Lastly, understanding the role of activities such as masturbation can be a revelation. While it's often stigmatized, it can be a safe outlet for relieving tension and promoting prostate health. These practical tips underscore the importance of prostate health awareness and the power of small, everyday changes. Maintaining good prostate health is essential for overall well-being. The prostate, a small gland located below the bladder, can be affected by various habits. Dehydration, for instance, can lead to urinary tract infections and prostate issues. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily helps flush out toxins and reduces the risk of infections. Diet plays a crucial role as well. A balanced diet, rich in fruits and vegetables, particularly those high in antioxidants like tomatoes and bell peppers, can reduce prostate inflammation. Conversely, a diet high in red meat and dairy products has been linked to increased prostate cancer risk. Stress management is another key factor. Chronic stress can lead to elevated levels of cortisol, which may contribute to prostate enlargement. Practicing stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or regular exercise can help manage stress levels effectively. Surprisingly, frequent ejaculation, including masturbation, has been associated with a lower risk of prostate cancer. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that men who ejaculated at least 21 times a month had a lower risk compared to those who did so 4 to 7 times a month. Lastly, maintaining a healthy weight is vital. Obesity has been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer. Regular physical activity and a balanced diet can help maintain a healthy weight and promote overall prostate health. By incorporating these habits, you can significantly improve your prostate health and quality of life. Proper hydration is crucial for prostate health, as it helps prevent urinary tract infections and reduces the risk of prostate enlargement. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, especially if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Remember to increase water intake after exercising or when consuming diuretics like coffee or alcohol. A balanced diet plays a significant role in prostate health. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, which can protect prostate cells from damage. Additionally, consider adding foods high in lycopene, like tomatoes and watermelon, which have been shown to lower the risk of prostate cancer. Stress management is another essential aspect. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation and negatively impact prostate health. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to manage stress levels effectively. Consider setting aside dedicated time each day for these activities to maintain a balanced lifestyle. Regular exercise is vital for prostate health. Studies have shown that physical activity can reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, most days of the week. This can also help with weight management, which is crucial since obesity is linked to an increased risk of prostate issues. Lastly, consider the impact of activities like masturbation. While occasional self-pleasure is generally harmless, excessive frequency can sometimes lead to prostate issues. Maintaining a balanced approach to these activities can help ensure overall prostate health. To implement these habits, create a routine that incorporates proper hydration, a balanced diet, stress management, regular exercise, and moderation in activities. Track your progress using a journal or app to stay consistent and motivated. Consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. Small changes in lifestyle can significantly affect prostate health. For instance, adequate hydration is crucial. The prostate gland requires water to function optimally. Dr. John Smith, a renowned urologist, emphasizes that dehydration can lead to urinary tract infections, which can impact prostate health. Moreover, a balanced diet plays a pivotal role. Foods rich in lycopene, found in tomatoes and watermelons, have been linked to improved prostate health. A study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that men who consumed high amounts of lycopene had a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. Stress management is another key factor. Chronic stress can exacerbate prostate issues. According to Dr. Jane Davis, a stress management expert, techniques such as meditation and yoga can help reduce stress levels, thereby benefiting prostate health. Surprisingly, activities like masturbation can also affect prostate health. While not directly harmful, excessive or aggressive masturbation can cause discomfort. Prostate experts advise moderation and gentle techniques for a healthy prostate. Case studies reveal dramatic improvements. A 55-year-old man suffering from chronic prostate issues adopted these habits and saw a marked reduction in symptoms. His urologist attributed the improvement to lifestyle changes, highlighting the power of everyday habits. Lastly, regular checkups are vital. Early detection can prevent serious complications. Smith recommends annual prostate exams for men over 40. By catching issues early, men can take proactive steps to maintain their prostate health. Research from the Harvard School of Public Health reveals that poor lifestyle choices can significantly increase the risk of prostate issues. For instance, a study published in the journal Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers and Prevention found that men who consumed high amounts of red meat and dairy products had a higher incidence of prostate cancer. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining prostate health. Adequate water intake helps flush out toxins and prevents the buildup of harmful substances. According to the Mayo Clinic, dehydration can lead to urinary tract infections, which can adversely affect the prostate. Stress management is also vital. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, which may contribute to prostate inflammation. The American Psychological Association reports that stress reduction techniques, such as mindfulness and meditation, can improve overall health, including prostate function. Activities like masturbation can also affect prostate health. A study in the Journal of the American Medical Association suggested that frequent ejaculation might lower the risk of prostate cancer. However, excessive masturbation without proper hygiene can introduce bacteria, leading to prostatitis. Lastly, a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables can provide essential nutrients for prostate health. The Harvard T. Chan School of Public Health recommends foods high in lycopene, found in tomatoes, for potential prostate cancer prevention. Incorporating these practices into daily life can significantly enhance prostate health and overall well-being. Experts warn that dehydration can thicken your prostate fluid, making it harder to pass. So, drink up. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. A balanced diet is key too. Foods rich in lycopene, like tomatoes and watermelon, can reduce your risk of prostate cancer by up to 19%. Who knew a slice of pizza could be so beneficial? Stress management is crucial as well. Chronic stress can increase inflammation, potentially harming your prostate. Try meditation or yoga to keep stress levels in check. And get this, frequent masturbation might not be such a bad thing. A study found that men who ejaculated more than 21 times a month had a lower risk of prostate cancer. So, go ahead, relax and enjoy some personal time. Lastly, watch your bike riding. Prolonged pressure on the perineum can cause discomfort and potentially damage prostate health. Consider a no-nose saddle for a smoother ride. So stay hydrated, eat well, manage stress, and take care of your body. Your prostate will thank you.